This is my messaging system. Right here, this panel, when I select an actor that supports the system, I will see its inputs and its outputs. Here I select another one, I see its inputs and outputs. If I select them both, I get tabs for them. This is handy if you have a whole lot of stuff that you don't want to change what your selections are, or they're in groups. It's really hard to edit detail properties in that situation. But here, I can see all the things I have selected and edit their messaging capabilities. So I'll go over how it works. Here, I press new, and the visuals are all really temporary. It's implemented in editor blueprints right now. I want to do it in Slate, but that is daunting. So here I said, hey, this button, it has two outgoing events, on press and on reset, and I'm targeting this new blueprint, and it supports these input messages. Right now, it's just supporting any interface function you can call it. So set display text, and here I have one of the parameters. It's not overridden right now, but if I want to, I can say hello world. And right now it's hello show me. So if I go to the details panel and I do the press on the button, it will change this debug actor's text, hello world. Hello world exclamation points. Back to the details, hit press, we get those exclamation points. I can give the outgoing button an outgoing message, but it doesn't support any. Well, here, if we go in here, we have this messaging component. I would also like to have this support outputs from dispatchers. Right now, it's a bespoke call. Let's do that. So we don't want to add any message events. We want to add a config, a broadcast event definition. So this one would be, for this blueprint, it can be on text changed. Okay, on text changed. Does it accept any parameters or broadcast any parameters? We don't need to. Okay, so when, we could set this all the time, but I'll just do it on event set display text. I will send message or broadcast. My bad. Broadcast event. Connect that up. And what was the message name? It was on text change. I can also set this to be the default broadcast event so that when you create a new node, it uses that one. All right. So it's going to send it. We don't have any trigger parameters that we want to pass along, which accepts a dynamic wildcard type in its in what you can make from it. So on text change, we'll just say, hey, our text changed. And now, if we go out here, I can see on text change is an option. If I hit new, on text change is the default option. So we can target, let's target another one of these blueprints. And let's remove its output from that one. This one, output, target this guy. And here we can say, hey, set display text, past new message. All right. So here we're going to set display text, which will then trigger this guy's output. So here, I can click on this and follow it. Go to this message, the input for set display text. And now here in my outputs, on text changed, I can go to its next message, which is this. And I can also follow it back and forth between these two. So let's see, if I hit pressed, output, set display text, send a new message along. I press this, both of these should update. This one should say do it, and then this one should say passed it along. Okay, and there it works. I can pass along parameters also, but I don't feel like showing that right now because this is short video. So that's it. You can have lots of different events and outgoing and input. Oh, my bad. What I wanted to show was what you have to do is add a new interface or just expand an existing one. If I want to create a new input function, hello. All right, compile, save. We can give it an input, which is a f name. All right. If I go back out here, targeting the new blueprint, which implements that, here I see hello, and I just changed this event from one to another, and it had this as a parameter, but this no longer has that parameter. So I will remove that. All right. Hello. This should actually be showing me the parameter here for this guy. I'm not sure. Oh well, it's a bug. Well, it's not released yet, but that's all you have to do. Oh, I think I need to compile the new blueprint. And there we go. So now name shows up and I can add something to it. Okay, that's it.